Hello CATIA lovers, I'm Theo Vizerie and today I will show you how to improve your design's environmental impacts. So let's go with me to the demonstration. I will propagate automatically all the environmental impacts according to the entire parts of my assembly, and it will automatically detect the raw materials that have been applied to the different elements, and with the correlation with our environmental database, it will automatically assign all the human activities required for this life cycle assessment within a single click for the designer. So if I deep dive into the environmental footprint, you can see that mainly my metrics appear red or orange, which means that the values are too high compared to the objectives. So if I deep dive into the CO2 emissions and climate change, I can see indeed that I have delta to my target, which is 7%, and I can directly see that the battery of my jigsaw is responsible of 34% of the climate change impact. So that will be one element that I want to review for the future design. But if I deep dive into the rest of the jigsaw, I can see that the part that is mainly contributing into my climate change is this shoe plate for the jigsaw. As well, I can deep dive into the human activities, and I can highlight the fact that the technology used for the battery and the aluminium used for the base plate of the jigsaw are mainly impacting. So let's go back to the 3D model and see how we can improve the environmental impact. I will try out a new alternative for this jigsaw. So first, I already replaced the material for the battery, so I have tried a new alternative of electrolyte, and I will focus on lightweighting of this part. So thanks to topology optimization, I will be able to generate automatically a new alternative based on weight and mechanical constraint. Here is my new design alternative. I'm very happy with it. I managed to reduce the weight by 15%. So now I will be able to automatically propagate again the environmental definition based on this new design and the new battery set that I have inputted. So I don't need to start from scratch the environmental propagation. I just need to launch again the automation. Now that I have updated the design and optimized the weight of my part, I can go back to the assessment application on the website, and as you can see already, my environmental impact appear green, which means that they are lower than the target. We can still see that some metrics are not respected, so we can go further into the improvement. But for now on, let's deep dive into the comparison between the two designs. So, as you can see, most of my metrics are showing optimization compared to the previous design. If I want to deep dive, for example, into the water usage between the two variants, we can see that the new jigsaw that I propose is slightly improved in terms of water usage. Accordingly, we can deep dive into CO2 emissions and see that I reduced by half the climate change impact on my new design. So we have seen how to quickly improve your design in terms of environmental impact. You have seen that it doesn't require specific environmental knowledge, which is a good feature for designers. Thank you all, and see you in our CATIA user community for more tutorials and demos.